Now, let's look at selecting distinct information from our table. The example we're going to be looking at is users that are distinctly identified within the enrollments table. We want to know how many or who are the students that actually enrolled for certain or different courses within the enrollment table. We're going to clean our script. Then we start as usual with the select keyword. So select, what do we want to select now? They call it as the column names. We can decide to just select the user IDs, user underscore ID. We're going to select user IDs for all the students that are going to be uniquely identified within the enrollment table. So let's follow this by adding the keyword from. Then we have the name of the table, enrollments. We're not done. We are selecting all user ID with this query. Let's run it. So we have 29 rows of user ID returned to us. But if you look carefully, we can see that a user ID with the value 6 is returned multiple times. This is 1. Let's use the annotation here. So this is 1, and this is another 1. And I believe if we have to go down, we'll be able to see more. But now we're having duplicates of a certain user ID repeated twice from what we can see now. So let's take away the annotation. I'll clean the boxes first, and I'll take that out. So we can still look through and we'll see that we have another 6 too. That's 4 times. 6 is being repeated 4 times. So we're going to modify our query to allow us to have unique user ID that are not repeated. We just want to be specific about this user ID that are going to be returned. We don't want it repeated. So we use the keyword distinct. So that is going to be following the select keyword. So we are selecting distinct user IDs from the enrollments table. So we have how many rows returned when we didn't have the distinct keyword there? That is 29 rows. So if we run this query now, we'll have 10 rows. Now we have 10 rows returned to us. But we don't have any duplicates anymore. The user ID that we're having here are distinct. So that means only 10 students enrolled for different courses within the enrollment table. So it's not 29 students. We have only 6 students, but a user or a student can enroll for multiple courses. That is what we can see here now. So this is the way we can use the distinct keyword within our select query.